When LKT Labs came to us, they needed to actually redesign their old existing website. And the first thing that we wanted to do was create a wireframe or a prototype for them so that we could make sure that what we were designing was going to fit their needs. One of the largest problems that they had is they had a lot of SKUs. I think they had over 1,500 to 2,000 SKUs that needed to get migrated over, and they needed to be displayed in a certain format. So what we wanted to do was, one, make sure that the e-commerce website that they were going to make and the layout of it was going to suit all their needs, and then two, develop a table type view for them. So you can see here the wireframe that we created. We wanted to make an expandable view and a category type view so that when they would come into the website they could see categories. It would be a very simplistic format, and when they would go into each category they would actually have a table view. And this is the way that within their industry they wanted to have their customers be able to view their products, so that they can come in, see a product ID, product name, short description, and then go view the details very easily. Now, each of their products were different chemical elements, so they need to show a nice, easy to view chemical image, as well as have different pricing, so that as they would update different quantities, it could update a total, they could see all the specifications and check out very easily. Now, the e-commerce solution that we chose to go with does all these things, but the interface was not set up in any of these ways. So we wanted to make sure that when we built this wireframe, we built it out, laid it out for them to visually see it and go, yes, that is exactly what I want, which then gave us the actual LKT Labs. So you can see if you go through the LKT Labs website, it's laid out in a very, very similar format to where you can go through, view different product elements, add the quantity, have a total, add to cart, and check it out. As well as once we knew all these different specifications, we could build a system on the back end to import all their old SKUs into the new system and have it be a very seamless transition, so they didn't have to manually enter everything in. They simply needed to give us either access to their database or an Excel document. And the only reason that we could do this and make this transition so seamless was that we did a prototype first.